गीता ने भी कहा एकांतवासो लघु भोजनादो मौनम निराशा
It is
करना
stated in Bhagavad
एकांत में
Gita,
रहना।
Ekant Vaso Laghu Bhojanado Maunam Nirasha
सारी
Karna
वृत्तियां
Varoda.
उस एक
One should
परमात्मा में
strive to stay in solitude. This is where
जहां विश्रांति को
all our
प्राप्त होती
instincts and senses attain composure in the divine soul.
जो विरक्त महात्मा होते हैं ना, विविक्त देश से
All the
वित्वम
enlightened holy
आरतिर
seekers
जन
follow
संसति।
Vivikta Deshasya Vitvam
जन
Aratir
समुदाय
Jana
से दूर
Sansati.
जाकर एकांत
They
अज्ञात
worship
में
and praise the
भगवान को
God in solitude, away and unnoticed from the crowd and the gatherings of
जो
people.
लाभ मिलता है
The contentment and bliss
भगवान
they
के नाम
realize in
का
worshipping in solitude, the gains they make in their spiritual
उसका
progress,
वर्णन
and the joy they experience by devotional worship.
ज्ञानवान की बड़ी विलक्षण स्थिति होती
The self-realized person has an exceptional disposition,
है। महामुनि अष्टावक्र महाराज
like the great sage Ashtavakra.
19वें अध्याय के
In
19वें
Shlok
श्लोक में
19 of the 19th chapter,
जनक से,
says to King Janaka,
हे राजन,
O king,
जो ज्ञानवान है
the enlightened and self-realized beings
भाव
are
अभाव से
satiated
रहित है,
and free of emotions.
वासना से रहित है।
They are free of worldly
दृष्टि से
desires.
कर्म करते हुए भी वो
They might generally seem involved in doing activities, but in effect they do nothing.
भाव विहीनो
Bhava
यः
bhava vihino yaha
तृप्तो निर्वासनो
tripto nirvasano buddha
नैव किंचित
naiva kinchit
तम तेन लोकदृष्ट्या
kritam tenaha loka naiva kinchit
लोगों की
kritam
दृष्टि से वो
tenaha
सो
loka
रहे,
drishtaya vikurvataha.
खा रहे, पी रहे, आ रहे, जा रहे, बोल रहे,
People might
सुन
see
रहे,
them doing normal
ले
activities
रहे, दे रहे,
like
देख
sleeping,
रहे, सुन
eating,
रहे,
drinking, coming or going,
लेकिन
walking,
तत्वदृष्टि
speaking or
से
listening or seeing, giving or receiving,
कर्म
but in
करते हुए
essence,
भी अकर्ता है। उन्हें
they
न तो
are
कभी हर्ष होता है न विषाद होता है,
not the doers of those activities.
उनका मन सदा सर्वदा
They neither experience enjoyment nor sorrows.
ऐसे
Their
जीवन
subconscious mind is always calm and
सामान्य
content.
जन की तरह कर्म तो करते हैं,
These self-realized beings perform their everyday duties like normal human beings,
लेकिन निस्पृह है, अनासक्त है,
but desire nothing in return and are detached from their actions.
भगवान शंकर ने कहा कि
So, in response to Parvati's question,
आज तुमने ये प्रश्न पूछा,
Lord Shiva said,
इससे
O
पहले
goddess,
कभी ऐसा प्रश्न किसी ने
the
नहीं
question you've asked today, it has never been asked ever before by anyone.
बड़ा मंगल करने वाला है, क्योंकि तुमने वो
The question you've raised is going to be very helpful and for welfare of people,
कि जिससे लोगों की गुरु
because
भक्ति बढ़ेगी, गुरु भक्ति
the
बढ़ेगी
answer
तो
to your
गुरु
question will
चरणों में
increase
प्रेम
people's
बढ़ेगा,
devotion
जिसके
towards their
जीवन
Guru.
में सद्गुरु के चरणों में
This
प्रेम
devotion
है,
in turn will intensify
उसको
one's love for
आत्मज्ञान
their
भी
Guru's
मिल
teaching,
जाएगा, क्योंकि कलयुग में
and this love will pave way for their self-realization.
बहुत दुर्लभ
Because in Kali Yuga, attaining self-realization is
कृपा भक्ति
very rare, and this eternal knowledge of soul cannot be achieved without Guru's blessings,
गुरु की सेवा
and you
से
cannot get Guru's blessings without devotional worship.
वो गंधर्व मुक्त नहीं होंगे, हे देवी।
Lord Shiva further states those Gandharvas who turn away from selfless service of the Guru will never attain liberation.
रहित हैं, गुरु की सेवा से रहित हैं।
The Charvaks, the Vaishnavas,
नमोस्तास्तु गंधर्वा,
who are devoid of selfless service and devotion towards Guru may never attain eternal knowledge.
चारण
Nam
मुक्त
muktasto
होंगे, न गंधर्व
Gandharva.
मुक्त होंगे, न किन्नर मुक्त होंगे, गुरु सेवा से रहित होकर।
The Charans may not attain liberation, neither will Gandharvas nor the Kinnaras in absence of their selfless service.
भेद गुरु बिन
They will never attain self-realization.
जय गुरुदेव।
गुरु बिन ज्ञान न उपजे, गुरु बिन मिटे न भेद, गुरु बिन संशय ना मिटे, जय 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 Gurudev. We recited the shlokas from Guru Gita in the morning, and in those shlokas we understood
अगम निगम मंत्र यंत्र तंत्र
that Vedas, Shastra, Puranas, Agam Nigam, Mantra, Yantra, Tantra,
नहीं जाना
and performing rituals according to our scriptures, if you do not understand the essence of Guru and the divine higher knowledge of our inner self, all these are in vain. Those who have understood the eternal knowledge provided by their Guru and those who have realized supreme devotion within themselves, they might never read the Vedas or Puranas, they might never go on pilgrimages or perform rituals. Still, they will experience the enlightening Vedic eternal knowledge within themselves by the grace and blessings of Guru. Those parents are praised with their children to the Gurukuls. Along with the worldly education, the spiritual knowledge should also be imbibed at an early age. There are numerous schools and educational institutes around us, but the education and knowledge provided at a Gurukul is unique and exceptional. And on top of that, it is an added advantage if the teachers are also Dikshit. Those who can have a Sadguru or Guru Satsang or undertake Mantra Diksha and accumulate righteous virtues by the means of this Diksha are considered very fortunate. Meeting and going for Satsang to a sage is the best association we can make. Even meeting with virtuous people is in vain if we do not share stories of Lord Ram. Lord Shiva says, Swadesikasya Vachanam Chintanam, which means the meditation of Shiva is synonymous to meditation of Guru, and the meditation of Guru and meditation of Shiva is one and the same. Singing praises of Guru is same as singing praises of Shiva, and vice versa. Thus, the Lord and Guru appear different.
हर्ष शोक व्यापे नहीं, तब गुरु अपने आप